In this tutorial, you will learn how to ignore a group chat in Messenger. Sometimes, group chats can be overwhelming with constant notifications and messages. Ignoring a group chat can help you stay focused and reduce distractions. To get started, open up the Messenger app and then find the group chat that you want to ignore. And then long press on that group chat. After that, tap on the mute option. Now what you want to do next is select how long you want to ignore this group chat. You can choose to ignore it for 15 minutes, for 1 hour, for 8 hours, or for 24 hours, or you can select until I change it. Go ahead and select your desired option. Once you've ignored the group, you won't receive any notifications for new messages in that chat. However, you can still check the messages whenever you want by simply opening the group chat. This can be helpful if you're part of a large group chat or if you just need some time away from certain conversations. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.